Hello there! Today in front of me I have Oukitel K13 Pro smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the general settings app. In here go for the network and internet, SIM cards, and as you can see we can switch the SIM card, change the SIM card exactly for 3 category of preferences. So mobile data, so you can choose either card, the first SIM card or the second one. For example, go for the second one. For calls, we can either go with one, another, or ask every time. That's how I'll set the ask every time option. And there is also the setting and option that allows us to select the preferences for sending SMS messages. I'll go with the SIM card that is in the first SIM slot. Alrighty, so that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.